Take one. Hey, what's going on, y'all? James Bill here. And today I'd like to give a special shout out to all my musician friends out there. You see, this is where my journey started out at, guys. I'm a musician of 20 years, and we were had our touch with fame and success. We're still successful. I mean, now we became one of the more popular party bands, private engagements, and events and stuff like that. And it pays really well. So I'm still doing that on the weekends. And my story is, we had our own direction as men. And my thing was, I wanted more. My mindset was to take it as far as we could possibly take it. And, everybody's not always on that same page. And what happened is we kind of became a little lax at what we were doing and kind of settled, guys. And I did not want to do that. So, long story short, I looked to the online space to start making it happen for me. And I found a mentor that showed me pretty much, the secrets and the tools and strategies that it would take to have success online. And that's what I want to talk to you guys about. It's been a year now. A few months ago, I went to my first mastermind event down in St. Petersburg, Florida. That was great. I've had, not to brag, boast to brag, but I've had my $1,000 days, have $3,200 days. I've even had a 6K day, guys, which was really exciting. And I just want to let you know that affiliate marketing in the online space is where it's simply is where it's at. But you have to put in the work. And the money that you're going to receive is simply a reflection of what you're putting out there. So whatever you learn, you just take it and share it back out there, guys. And I do this daily. Earlier today, I'm shooting this video now, but earlier today, I was on my laptop doing some ads, posting ads, do some Instagram things, YouTube, and just working, guys, and engaging and getting content out there, branding myself. And that's basically it. It's really simple if you want to put in the work. Some people say they want to make money, but they don't want to even do whatever it takes to go ahead and be successful to make that money. People will join these groups and won't even go in their back office and see what's going on back there and check it out, man, and follow instructions and dive in. And then the next thing you know, they say, well, it didn't work. It's a scam. No, you have to put the work in, guys. I've had some people ask me within our community, how did I have success? Because at the event in St. Petersburg, the CEO and founder of the company asked me to get up and did I mind sharing my story? And I was so honored, and blessed, felt privileged, to have that moment. But my main thing is, when I think about it, it's just that the action that I took, the action, I stepped in, I stepped up when I had to, and I did what they said. I plugged into the system, and I take action daily. I don't treat it like a hobby. I treat it like a business. So if it's something you guys may be interested in on the online space and you're looking to make some extra money from home, to work from home, it's real, guys. So I'm not going to be all day. I just wanted to share that with you. James Bill, I'm living the dream. So can you. Peace.